Good morning, OFW around the world. Good evening, good morning to my viewers. Good evening, good afternoon, saan man tayo naroon. Because I know we have different time. We have different time as we are uh, in the different countries. So that's why I'm greeting you. Very good morning, afternoon, and evening to all of us. Today is August 3, 2024. Time check 8:25 in the morning here in Spain. I was waiting for my guest coming from Saudi Arabia, but unfortunately, she has no message to me that she's coming or not. So, what I did is just face the camera for a few minutes because I still have like half an hour before I go because I'm leaving. I supposed to leave right after the guesting of an OFW coming from Saudi, but she's not. I think she's not coming anymore. It's been like it's 8:27 already. So let's have that next time because OFW we need to understand it's every situation of OFW. We don't have that right to own our time. That's the difference when you are working in abroad and working in the Philippines because in abroad you don't own your time. You have to depend on the instructions of your boss. You have to depend on the instruction of your co or fellow worker or your colleague if you are working in a group because of course this is not our own country, and like in our country we could have pabanting we could steal some time of our office hours or whatever job you are. So that's really the big difference. So like here, actually I am on vacation starting August 1 because the this is our set up every once a year that we are given 1 month vacation, but since Marimar is having her day off today up to Monday, so I will take over those weekends. So I am only given free offs during Monday to Friday, but weekend times and holidays I have to work. But anyway, I'm not complaining because first of all, I have nothing to do. If you just go around and have shopping or window shopping in the mall, you'll be tempted to spend. And for us OFW, it's not even wise for us to be spending because this is not our home. So we have to think back our family, or I mean our future, that it's still good to settle in our country than here. Even I'm already a Spanish citizen, I still, in my mind, if I'm going to choose where I am going to spend my retirement, I would rather choose our country. But since we have medications, we have maintenance, like my husband is having the maintenance, so we have to stay here. Anyway, hopefully this year I am going to follow up the document of my husband. I'm hoping that he could also acquire the citizenship because it's really a big advantage if both of us will be carrying the citizenship document, because we can just come and go here in this country and spend a lot of time in the Philippines. So guys, as I always, I understand always our guests whenever they cannot come to their scheduled interview. I always consider their reasons because I said OFW do not own their time. We have to take note of that. Even me, I am already like in vacation. So I keep on repeating this. But still, when the boss asked me, I am not that kind of person that, no, I'm free. It's my vacation. No. because especially that we are here, live-in worker. I am a live-in worker. I am free with the accommodation, so I have to say yes, even it's against my will, against my will. Well, anyway, guys, I'd like to encourage those OFW who had tantrums whenever they were asked by their boss to stay, or to work a little hour or short hour, even it's their day off. Like, pagbigyan kasi, that's if you think that your boss are okay, if you think that your boss is treating you like a member of the family, so why don't you just give a favor also to them? I know na it's our day off already, it's our free time already, but a short favor, or like a simple favor that we could give to them, just give it to them. It's like a give and take process. If your amo is mabait, why are you not what is the reason to be declining their favor? So ganun ako eh. So, and I am telling this to everybody because I want all of us OFW to just be patient of the time of every instructions of our boss, kasi um sabi ko nga, depende yan sa reason. If you are treated well, so why don't you just give your time? And yun naman ay masarap naman achieve. It's also an achievement for us, for you, if you give your good service to them, kasi aanihin mo naman yan if your amo don't think that that favor of yours is like very important, and thank you lang ang bayad, it's okay, because God is always good, that He would so ganun lang yon, maging mabait lang tayo, maging maayos lang tayo sa ating mga ginagawa, kasi uh, lagi na lang natin iisipin na lahat ng ito ay laging may magandang nakalaan na pangyayari in the future. Kasi alam mo yun, gano'n naman yun eh, if you are mabuti to your kapwa, God will always give you mabuting mga tao na magmamahal sa'yo at aalalay sa'yo. Though there are some temptations, always there are some mga contradict decisions, pero nasa sa atin lang yan kung paano natin i-handle. And God is giving us free will to do what we want to do. So, yan po guys. So, kailangan lang natin maging mahaba ang pasensya. In a way, hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit nangyayari ang mga bagay na ito, na kailangan mo laging magbigay pabor. So, yeah.